Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at an all-new online gaming platform. This here is the Mobile Premier League, aka the MPL. It is one of Asia's largest gaming platforms, trusted by more than 90 million people. So the way it works is quite interesting. So you play online these variety of different games, which you can go ahead and win money that you can even transfer to your own bank account. Today we'll be actually trying it out and seeing exactly what it's all about. So they're sponsoring this video, so be sure to check them out in the link below if you want to learn more about it. So without further ado, let's try it out. All right, so first off, you can go ahead and download the app by clicking on the App Store and then just simply searching MPL. And it's gonna be this one right here, this white and red, and simply clicking like that, you can go ahead and download it. And for our Android users out there, you can go ahead and download directly from mpl.us website. First off, this here's our main hubs. These are different events that they have, which you can just kind of play with. And it shows all the games, so you have these different variations from basketball to Tetris to Baseball Star. Well, I guess we can play for free, so at least we can play the games for free, which is great. So right now we're going to be playing a Fruit Chop Ninja. So right now they're finding a player to face against us. This is cool. Start. Oh. Ah. Man, I love. I hit the bomb! So clearly I'm not good at this game, but it's pretty funny to see how that is. And then, hey, it says you won $1, so that's pretty cool too. So you can go ahead and play different games. This is basketball. All right, let's see how this plays out. One point. Ah! Yes! No! Ah! Shoots and he misses. Oh! Yes! Ow! Ah! That should have been in. And 3, 2, 1. All right, sweet. So we got 22 points there. And now what it'll do, it'll kind of wage ourselves against somebody else. All right, let's see what else we got here. We have bowling. Let's try bowling. I like bowling. Okay, cool. 10-cent pot. Guaranteed prize, 10 cents. Beat the score of 50 and win 10 cents guaranteed cash prize. And come on, big money, big money, big money. Okay. Yes, got the spare. Come on, go, 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 go. Ah, no, that's a split. Ah! So I don't think we got our 50. But yeah, the challenge is there. So far I just played some of the games here, and overall I have to say it's actually a very unique concept. And the fact that you can even win cash on top of it, it's a lot of fun. So with that said, if you guys had any questions about it, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.